rules though before I start with the third act. Just try to be quiet, and if you're not into, if you can't be quiet, then go to that back room. Sorry. And then the other thing is, don't forget there's a big jar or sort of thing over there, metal. What'd you say, metal?
Yeah, like a metal ice bucket.
Yeah, to put some money in to help to help out. Yeah, thanks so much. And I am very happy to announce the final act of this evening, Johnny and the Dinosaurs. I actually met Yost from Johnny and the Dinosaurs. Also, like I met Lewin through the Flat Mountain Festival, and I went around and I was sneaking around putting these little flyers on all the tables. But this is about the festival that's coming up out in the middle of nowhere, about an hour north of Amsterdam or something. It's going to be amazing. We're all kind of collaborate, whatever you call it, yeah. Co-organizing the thing. And it's going to be great, and so he will be in a different form though, right? You're going to be in the Barnyard Tea form. Yes. All these different personalities and bands and stuff.
It's a bluegrass band.
Yeah, bluegrass band, exactly. But
don't let it push you out.
Yeah, exactly. If you like this, you're going to like that as well. He's a great songwriter, and I just discovered him also not so long ago, about a year or two ago, and I really like his stuff. So let's hear it for Johnny and the Dinosaurs! No, but I should say, I'm sorry. Okay, Yost and Merlin, Johnny and the Dinosaurs!
Okay, this one's about a breakup, of course. So you better start swimming, my friend. Water's cold, so I'm told. Water's cold, don't be bold. Better don't show, better don't tell. And I just thought you were somebody else. We slowed down throughout the air, but there's no looking back on a highway of tears. No, there's no looking back on a highway of tears. Okay, this next song, I wrote it for a friend of mine. He fell in love. He met this girl from Japan. He fell in love big time. So I thought, well, I can write a song for him. And I'll let him play. He's a pianist or a keys player, whatever he likes to call it. And I was like, okay, I'll write this song for him, and he can play the organ on my record, and so he can, send it over to his girl. When we got to the studio, it's like we've recorded our parts, and we're about to overdub his organ parts, and he was coming to the studio. He was totally depressed because she just dumped him for a French guy.
Fucking French guy.
It's the same guy.
it's probably the same guy. Well, there you have it. It's actually it's a happy song, but I had to rewrite some of the lyrics. It's called "Girl from Japan."
I forgot to mention that he quit the band after he heard the song. You
didn't quit the band? Oh,
You didn't say that. That's a nice little detail.
You quit the band.
Yeah.
Well, it's oh yeah, we didn't actually use the organ parts he played in the studio. Yeah, too bad.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. man.